Hi everyone, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about speaker switches, the ISS4, which is a very basic, very simple speaker selector, and how you can use them to make things a little bit nicer around the home, which enables you to get 4 pairs of speakers from one tiny little hi-fi system. Now bear with me with this. If you've got your conventional hi-fi, I'm using the Nero XD Stream here, just as an example, and you've got it in your dining room or your lounge and you're listening to your music, the ISS4, and it allows you to add up to 4 pairs of speakers. Not only that, you've actually got a safety protection circuit as well. Why would you want to use one of these? Well, as an example, I've got the Nero Stream XD here, and that's a simple 2-channel streaming hi-fi with a single pair of bananas plugs on the back. Now, how can we turn this into using 2 or even 3 pairs of speakers? Well, it's really simple. We use some, I've already prepared it before, cable, and we connect the plus and the minus. This is the right hand side, and the ISS4, it comes conveniently mounted. That's 1 channel done. I'm using our very popular speaker snap banana plugs, fastest plugs on the planet, just to make my life a touch easier. Now it's just a case of simply plugging the cables into the back, and we've now got the circuit completed between the amplifier into the speaker switch. And we also have outputs 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'd always recommend output number 1 to be the speakers in the existing room, so they're always going to be known and very easy to control. So speaker number switch in is everything as normal, nothing's changed, so you're listening to your sound from your lounge or your dining room. But let's say you want to extend your speakers and you've decided you're going to put 2 pairs of small speakers around the garden. The first pair outside, we're going to selection number 2, and then the second pair outside, we're going to number 3. And now all of the speakers will actually be live. If there's no one in the dining room, then there's no need to have those speakers switched on. So you could unswitch those, which means you've only got the speakers in the garden on. And if you're using something flexible like the Nero XD, you can actually use your smartphone once it's found the amplifier and wirelessly control the volume and the sources while you're outside. So it makes it all nice and neat. And why would you use one of these over just, let's say, a chock block or wiring the speakers together? Well, amplifiers need to have a regulated resistance. That's how they're designed to work. They need to know and see a constant resistance at the speaker terminal end. And what the ISS4 will do inside, it's got matching resistors, so it will make sure no matter what configuration of speakers you have selected, the amplifier will see the correct load, because you don't want your amplifier to go into meltdown. And what we've also got within the ISS4 is a protection circuit. Now, by engaging this, it sort of automatically limits the volume control. So it regulates up to a maximum of 70 watts to each speaker, and then the safety circuit will switch on to protect everything. Without, it will allow up to 140 watts, which is really loud. And there we go. That's as simple as it needs to be with the ISS4. Nice, simple and extremely well built, just the way it should be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.